3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go, Clash of the Titans here. Both 9470 and 1678 are number 1 and number 2 ranked teams. Side by side for the autonomous, they unload a barrage of fuel, and we know both robots are going to go back for seconds. 9470, they pick up a bunch of fuel, 1678 doing the same. 1678 unloads, 9470 unloads. As we come to the end of autonomous, looks like our Red Alliance has the bit of an advantage, but it's still anyone's game. 9470 quickest to the middle of the field again. 3045, they're going to try and get their intake down so they can intake a load of fuel. 1678, they're doing some lobbying because the Blue Alliance shift comes first. Looks like we have 10059, they have a bunch of fuel in tow. 9470, they have a bunch of fuel in tow. They're going to try and load up into their hub. 2473, they test one fuel out. Now they're going to try and align again and see if they can get the right shot. 9470, those quick cycles shooting from right underneath the trench. With 3 seconds left, then we're going to start to look at a ready and waiting 1678 citrus circuits. 1678 showing why they've been on Einstein so many times, unloading those fuel and grabbing more. They're going to maximize the amount of cycles that they can do. 9470 though, they're grabbing a bunch of balls to get ready for their next shift. 3045, they've figured out how to get those turrets working. They're shooting onto that hub. 1678 also shooting onto that hub. As we come to our Blue Alliance shift, this is their second solo shift. 10059, they have a bunch of fuel in tow. They're getting defended though by 3045. 9470, they're lined up. They're shooting undefended onto that hub. They unload a bunch of fuel onto that hub. Both alliances have obviously already gotten to the energized. Let's see if anyone can supercharge in this match. With 3 seconds left for the Blue Alliance, some last second scoring from 9470 as we move over to the Red Alliance. 1678 waiting and ready, unloading such high throughput from that 1678 machine. 3045, not to be undone though, they're unloading an impressive amount themselves. And 1678, they have more, compressing that hopper down to make sure all of that fuel goes into their shooter. 9470, they're a little bit stuck. Their RSL is off. The number 2 ranked team, their RSL is off. So we're going to have to see if the Blue Alliance can make up this ground. 1678 unloads more fuel into their hub. They have already supercharged. 20 seconds left. Blue Alliance looks like we're going to have 2473 extending some hooks for a climb onto the tower. 1678 will continue to cycle. With 9 seconds left, we're going to see 2473 is up, our second climb of the event. 1678, some last second scoring. 3, 2, 1. And that's the match. 1678 just missing their climb of their own. It is the Red Alliance. They take home the victory with another high score set by 1678 with the score of 471 to Blue Alliance's 204. 5 ranking points for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance not coming away empty-handed. They still get 1 for energizing.